Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have your black thread and a clear intent. Start now by folding the thread to double thickness. Hold the loop against the inside of your wrist with one hand, then wrap the loose ends around the wrist twice so the thread lies flat. Make sure the wraps are snug but not tight, so circulation stays normal. Once the wraps sit evenly, bring the loose ends back through the loop and prepare for the securing knot. This is the foundation that prevents slipping. Now focus on securing the thread. Pass the loose ends through the loop and pull both ends simultaneously to form a centered overhand knot. If you want extra security, add a second half knot on top. If you prefer adjustability, form a sliding knot by looping one end around the other and threading it back. Make sure the knot sits on the inner wrist or where comfortable, and test the fit by sliding 2 fingers under the band. Comfort ensures you can wear it all day. Finish by trimming the excess ends to about 5 to 8 mm so they don't snag. For synthetic threads, you can carefully singe the tips to stop fraying, but avoid open flame near skin. If the knot slips, retie adding an extra half knot or apply a tiny drop of clear fabric glue to the knot and let it dry. If at any time your wrist feels numb, cold, or tingly, remove the thread and loosen. Safety first, then reapply with a looser tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.